Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the much awaited grand finale quiz of the NLF Reading Challenge 2021. My name is Karthika. I'm the head of reading at Neve Academy. We are very excited to be here, and we hope you are too. As you all know, the NLF Reading Challenge is a 6-month-long reading event from January to June 2021 for students between 10 to 13 years of age. It is open to participants on the competitive or the non-competitive tracks. We have students from across India participating in the challenge. In addition to fun book-based activities and regular author interactions, the challenge concludes today with a quiz competition that will see the 3 best teams win gold, silver, and bronze engraved trophies respectively, certificates of achievement, and a great set of books. We would like to begin this interaction by introducing the members of the organizing team who will each play a key role during the session today. We have Ms. Janvi, who will be sharing the slides. We have Ms. Vivida, who will be keeping score and is therefore integral to the session. We have Ms. Prakriti, who will be in charge of Q&A. We have Mr. Gilbert, who is supporting the tech effort of this webinar and every webinar that NLF hosts. Good to see you all. Thank you so much for coming here. Now, we have the very special guests of the evening. We have 9 teams from 5 schools and 1 enthusiastic individual registrant. From the Oberoi School of Dehradun, or Oasis Doon for short, we have Pratika Patel, Vanika Gupta, Yashasvi, and Sadhana. Welcome, Team Oasis Doon. Would you be able to turn on your video so that we can see you? Thank you so much, Team Oasis. Good luck with today's session. From GD Goenka World School, Gurgaon, we have 2 teams. Team 1 has Anusha Niyogi, Abhinav Ahuja, Vanya Kaushal, and Gianna Varshni. Welcome, Team 1 from GD Goenka World School, Gurgaon. Would you be able to turn on your video so that we can see you? Good to see you both, Anusha and Abhinav. Good luck with today's event. Our next team from GD Goenka World School, Gurgaon has Varshasvi Singh, Kunal Mittal, Mohit Yadav, and Molina Chaudhary. Would you be able to turn on your video, those from this team who are here with us today? All right, looks like team 2 is facing some sort of technical difficulties. From Silver Oaks, Bangalore, we'll come back to the team 2 from GD Goenka. From Silver Oaks, Bangalore, we have a 2-person team of Sia Agarwal and Noritra Chatterjee. Hi Sia, hi Noritra, good to see you here. Good luck with today's event and welcome to the show. We have 3 teams from Parikrama Foundation, Bangalore. Team 1 from Parikrama on Nandini layout has PM Keshri, PM Darshini, Jayashri R, and Devika S. Hi, good to see all of you. Thank you so much for being here today. Good luck with the quiz. Team 2 from Parikrama Sahakar Nagar has Vishwas, Monisha, Carmel Monica, and Manasi V. Hi, Team 2 from Parikrama Sahakar Nagar. Good to see all of you today. Good luck with today. And Team 3 from Parikrama Jayanagar has Joyce Monica V, Mridula S, and Tasnia M. Good to see all of you today. Good luck. We have 2 teams from Neve Academy, Bangalore. Team 1 has Arushi Chandra, Anaya Kanchan, Kirat Singh, and Inia Babu. Hi, good to see you all. Good luck with today's event.
Thank you.
Team 2 from Neve Academy, Bangalore has Dhruv Chakrabarti Nagri, Ishan Aburi, and Angad Singh. Good to see you both. Good luck with the event today.
Thank you.
All right, and we also have Safira Aurora from the Oasis Doon, who is competing as an individual participant on her 1-person team. Hi, Safira, would you be able to turn on your video if you're here with us today? Okay, I think Safira is facing difficulties as well. So we'll come back to Safira when the quiz progresses. Today's quiz will have 4 rounds, which are based on the books from the reading challenge. The right answer for every question carries 5 points. The responses that are partially correct carries 2 points. There will be no pass questions. There will be a timer to accompany each question. Each team has already internally decided on whether they will have a team captain who will respond to the questions, or whether they will respond individually. Each team has also decided on how they will communicate with each other during the course of the challenge in the event that they're not in the same room together. We will proceed with the questions in the same order as we did with the introductions. Here's wishing everyone the very best of luck. Round 1 of this quiz is called Scrambled Titles. Each team will have 30 seconds to guess the correct book title. All right, we start off with the first team from Oasis Doon. Team Oasis Doon, are you ready? Okay, let's have the question up for Team Oasis Doon now. Which book title is up on the screen? This is a title that was on the reading list of the NLF Reading Challenge 2021. Each team has 30 seconds to provide the right answer. Okay, all right. I'm afraid that since 30 seconds are up, Team Oasis Doon, we will have to move on and see what the correct answer is. Thank you for that. The applause was to hopefully uplift spirits, and hopefully you'll be able to catch up on your next round. I could see that all of you were thinking really hard. So good luck for the next round, Team Oasis Doon. The next question is for Team 1 from GD Goenka World School with Anusha and Abhinav in it. Are both of you ready? Could you turn on your video to tell me that you're ready? Okay, Anusha and Abhinav, can we have the question up for Team 1 from GD Goenka World School? Oops, that was a mistake on our part. Can we have the next question up for them? This one's for you now. Team 1 from GD Goenka World School.
Ghost Bossy.
Yeah, okay, all right. Let's take a look at what the correct answer is. Good job, Anusha and Abhinav. Congratulations on getting the correct response. For our next question, we move on to Team 2 from GD Goenka World School. We have Varchasvi, who's here with us. Varchasvi, this one's for you. Could we have the next question up for Varchasvi? Varchasvi, we can't see you or hear you. Would you be able to turn on your audio and video?
Yes.
Ten seconds more, less than 10 seconds. Okay, I'm afraid time is up. This is a title from the reading list of the 2021 NLF Reading Challenge. We've had author interactions on this book, but I can understand that it could be hard to see it when it's all scrambled together. Could we have the correct answer, please? Thank you so much. And thank you, Vachasvi, for being here. Good luck with the next round. We know that this one was a little difficult, but hopefully you'll be able to catch up really soon. All right. For the next question, we have the team from Silver Oaks, Bangalore. Are you ready, Silver Oaks, Bangalore? Sia Agarwal and Naritra Chatterjee. All right. Could we have the question up for Silver Oaks, Bangalore?
Flyaway board. Flyaway board.
Okay. All right. Naritra says flyaway by. Are you sure? Good job, Naritra and Sia. That was the quickest response that we've got so far. Congratulations on that. Team Silver Oaks doing really well. Thank you so much. Can we move on to the next question, which is for the team from Parikrama Foundation, Nandini Layout. Are you ready, Team Parikrama from Nandini Layout? I see a set of very enthusiastic thumbs up. Thank you so much, Team Parikrama. Your question is coming up on screen now.
Deep light.
Okay, are you all sure though? All right, Team Parikrama is very confident. Can we have the correct answer up for them? Deep light indeed. Good job, Team Parikrama. Very nice to see how all of you have done there. The next question goes to the next team from Parikrama, which is Sehkar Nagar. Parikrama Foundation, Sehkar Nagar, are you ready for your question? All right, okay. Can we have the question up for Parikrama Foundation from Sehkar Nagar? "30 seconds to respond." This is a book that was on the reading list of the NLF Reading Challenge 2021.
Two roads.
Are you sure? Is that the answer that you want to go with?
Two roads.
Okay, all right. Parikrama seems very confident. Can we take a look at what the correct answer is? Team Parikrama, very nice to see all of your answers. Thank you so much for being here. Our next question is for Parikrama Foundation, Jayanagar. Is the team ready? Okay, the team is ready. I've got some thumbs up from Parikrama Foundation, Jayanagar. Could we have the question up for them?
Gandhi.
Sorry, what was that?
Being Gandhi.
Being Gandhi, are you sure?
Yes.
Okay, all right. That was again a really quick response from Parikrama Jayanagar. Could we see what the correct answer is? Thank you very much, Team Parikrama from Jayanagar. Lovely to see the enthusiasm and the confidence with which the answers are coming out. Okay, we have the next team from Neve Academy, Team 1 from Neve Academy, with Arushi, Anaya, Inia, and Kirat. Okay, are you ready?
Yes.
Excellent. Could we have the first question for Team 1 from Neve Academy? The question for the team up on screen.
Beverly right. Beverly right there.
What was that? Could you repeat?
Beverly right here.
I'm getting 3 responses, so you're going to have to give me one correct response.
Anaya, you go. Okay, Beverly right here.
Beverly right here. Are you sure, Anaya?
Yes.
All right, okay. Can we have the next slide, the correct answer up for Team Neve? Thank you so much. Thank you, Team Neve. I'm glad that all of you are so confident with your answers. We move on to the next team from Neve Academy, which is with Dhruv and Angad. Are you both ready? Team 2 from Neve Academy?
For me, it's actually showing I can't start my video because the host stopped it.
Is it? All right, okay. Mr. Gilbert, would you be able to? Thank you so much. All right. So since you're here and they've got their videos up, can we have the next question for Team 2 from Neve Academy?
Letters to Mummy. Letters to Mummy. Mrs. Letters to Mummy.
Are you sure, Dhruv?
Yes.
And Angad, what do you?
Miss, even I think this is letters to Ammi.
All right, okay. Letters to Ammi. Both of them very confident. Can we take a look at what the correct answer is? Good job, Team Neve. Nice to see that both of you are in agreement on the correct answer. We have Safira, who's our individual registrant, who's here with us. Safira, are you here?
Yes, ma'am, and it's pronounced as Sapphira.
Thank you so much for correcting my pronunciation, Safira. Do we have, Ms. Janvi, do we have a question for Safira, or shall we take 2 questions for Safira in the second round?
May we do 2 questions in the second round? Will that be possible?
Sure, let's do that. Safira, is that okay with you?
Of course.
All right, thank you so much. We also have a question from the audience on why we can't see the children. If the members of the audience would prefer to see everybody at one go, please do drop us a message on the Q&A box. We have kept it this way so that it doesn't get confusing for the members of the audience to see who is answering. But if you feel like you would prefer to see all the children at one shot, please do let us know and we will pass on that message for the subsequent rounds. All right, round 1, 1 round done. Let's see how everybody has performed, how everybody has fared. We have Miss Vivida, who is our scorer. Miss Vivida, would you be able to tell us how the teams are doing?
Sure. Hello teams. So far the score is starting with Oasis Dehradun. Oasis Dehradun at 0. GD Goenka Anusha's team at GD Goenka Vachasvi's team 0. Silver Oaks Bangalore at 5 points. Parikrama Nandini Layout at 5 points. Parikrama Sahakar Nagar at 5 points. Parikrama Jayanagar at 5 points. Neve Team 1, Arushi Chandras at 5 points. Neve Team 2, Dhruv's team 5 points. And Safira at 0.
Safira, as she has kindly told us, is how her name is
Very
pronounced.
sorry. Safira at 0.
Yes, but Safira has an opportunity to make up in the next round. So good luck for round 2. Round 1, we had scrambled book titles. And round 2, we have another set of scrambled components, but I'll get to that in just a bit. We have audience members who are saying it would be very nice for everyone to be able to see all the students on their video. So would you all be able to turn on your video, contestants? I know that we had questions on this earlier. I know that Pratika had asked if it's required. But I mean, sometimes we do have to cater to what the audience asks, and it's nice to see all of you together at one time. All right, round 2. We have scrambled book covers, and that means that we have 2 book covers of 2 books from the reading list of the NLF Reading Challenge 2021. They've been morphed. So what you need to do is you need to identify the correct book covers from the question that is there up on the screen for you. All right. Each team will have 30 seconds to guess the correct books. The team will have to provide the full titles of the books to qualify for the correct answer. So,
Miss Karthika,
yes.
it's actually showing that the host has switched off my video again. For some reason.
All right. Mr. Gilbert, would you be able to sort this out for all of the participants? Thank you. I'm sure you'll be able to sort it out really soon, and you'll be able to turn on your videos really soon. All right. I hope that the instructions are clear. Scramble book covers 2 books from the reading list of the NLF Reading Challenge. They are both on one slide. They are marked. What you need to do is you need to identify the correct book titles. All right. We are going to proceed in the same order as we did the previous round. Right. So we start with Team Oasis Dune. Can we have, are you ready, Team Oasis Dune?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Can we have the question up for Team Oasis Dune? Thirty seconds for the answer, Team Oasis.
It's letters to Ami and Caroline.
It's letters to Ami and.
The other book is Caroline.
All right. Okay. Okay. Are you sure that's going to be your answer, Team Oasis?
Yes.
All right. Okay. Let's take a look at what the correct answer is. If you'd like to go back, that was Beverly right here in The War That Saved My Life. It was the picture of Beverly on her card and a little bit of The War That Saved My Life. The morphing is challenging to get past, but thank you so much for your participation, Team Oasis Dune. Good luck with the next rounds. Hopefully you'll catch up really soon. All right. Our next question is for Team 1 from GD Goenka World School. Are you ready, Team 1 from GD Goenka World School, Gurgaon? Okay, we're going to assume you're ready since you're all here. Can we have the next question up for GD Goenka World School, Gurgaon? Seconds to guess the 2 books on this slide. Okay, Team GD Goenka World School. This is again challenging because the morphing is really hard. Can we have the correct answer for Team GD Goenka World School? Could we have the next slide? Thank you, thank you. Again, it's not easy, we realize that. And we also want to emphasize that the whole point of this challenge is for us to just recount the books that we have read. So please don't be disheartened if you've not got the answers right. We are looking at this in a spirit of fun, in a spirit of celebration. We so appreciate all of you being here. So thank you all for being here and good luck with the next rounds. All right, let's now move on to the next team, which is Team Silver Oaks Bangalore. Are you ready, Team Silver Oaks? Okay, let's have the next question up for Team Silver Oaks Bangalore.
It's Bridge Home and something else.
Okay.
I agree. I'm not sure what the other one. It's Bridge Home and something else.
I understand Bridge Home because of the orange on the cover. Are you sure that's going to be your final answer?
Yeah.
Okay, all right. We are at the end of our time. Let's take a look at what the book covers are. Bridge Home was a great guess because it's so close in terms of its yellows and its oranges, but good try, Team Silver Oaks. We're sure you'll get your answers correct in the next rounds. All right. Now we move on to Parikrama Foundation from Nandini Layout. Team Parikrama, you ready? Okay. Can we have the question up for Team Parikrama, please? It's 2 books. They're from the reading list of the NLF Reading Challenge.
The book of lost things and something else.
Okay, the Book of Lost Things and something else. Are you sure that's going to be your answer?
Bim and the Falling Town Fruit.
Bim and the Town of Falling Fruit. Okay, all right.
Bim and the Fall.
Right. So the response that we've got from Team Parikrama is it's Bim and the Town of Falling Fruit and the Book of Lost Things. Let's take a look at what the correct answer is. That cover was a morphed version of Rising Water, and the cover below was of Beverly sitting on her car. Both of these are morphed, of course. Hard, but hopefully you'll catch up in the next round. All right. Our next team is Parikrama Foundation Sahakar Nagar. Team Parikrama, are you ready? Okay. Can we have the next question up for Team Parikrama from Sahakar Nagar? Thirty seconds, Team Parikrama.
The letter for the king and something else.
Okay, letter for the king and something else. All right. Do you want to think back to whether you've seen these color schemes on any other books, all the other books? Are you sure letter for the king is your final response? Okay, all right. Thank you, Team Parikrama. Let's take a look at what the correct answer is. With the olive green cover and 2 Roads by Joseph Bruchac, also with the blue cover. Close, that letter for the king also has a similar color scheme. Again, morphing book covers, not easy, but thank you for rising to the occasion and being here. Okay, that was Team Parikrama from Sahakar Nagar. We have Team Parikrama from Jayanagar after this. Team Parikrama, you ready? Okay, all right. Could we have the question up for Team Parikrama from Jayanagar? Thirty seconds, please.
Being Gandhi.
Okay, Being Gandhi.
The river that flows through the moon.
Okay, all right. Are you sure? Is that your final answer?
Yes.
Okay, all right. 30 seconds are just about up. Let's take a look at what the correct answer is. That was Deep Light, half of the cover of Deep Light, and the rest was, of course, the cover of Being Gandhi, very noticeable from the outline that was on the cover. So good job, Parikrama. Very well done, very well played. All right. Our next question is for Team 1 from Neve Academy. Are you ready, Team 1 from Neve Academy?
Yes.
All right. Okay. Could we have the next question up for them, please?
Rising Water and Enola Holmes.
We will need you to give us the full title of both.
Okay, so it's Rising Waters, and then it's Enola Holmes, the case of the missing Marcus.
Are you sure, Team Neve?
Yes.
All right. Team Neve is sure. We do have 7 seconds left if you do want to reconsider. Okay, Team Neve seems absolutely confident. Can we take a look at what the correct answer is? Congratulations, Team Neve. Well played. Well done. All right. Now we move on to the next question for Team 2 from Neve Academy. Are you ready, Team 2?
Yes.
Okay. Can we have the next question up, please? Both of these titles are from the NLF 2021 Reading Challenge.
This bottom one's Fly Away Boy.
Okay.
First one is oh dear, I'm forgetting the name. All of Me.
All of Me and Fly Away Boy.
Yes.
Are you sure? Team 2 from Neve? All right. With 1 second to go, the timer is stopped. Can we take a look at what the correct answer is? All of Me and Fly Away Boy, indeed. Well played, Team Neve. We have Sapphira's turn now. Sapphira, what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you the first question on the chat box so that you can see it. I'm going to make it visible to all panelists and attendees. I'm going to start a timer for you so that we know that you have 30 seconds and you can tell us if you think you have any trouble with it. Time starts now, Sapphira.
All of Me?
Are you sure?
Yes.
All right. Sapphira says that All of Me is the question that she wants to go with. And All of Me is right. That's the response. Good job, Sapphira. Can we have the next question up for Sapphira from this round? "30 seconds, Sapphira, to guess the 2 book covers that are on this slide."
Rising Waters and something.
Okay, Sapphira says Rising Water and something. And I understand why she said that. Can we take a look at what the correct answer is? Thank you for that, Sapphira. The correct answer is Two Roads and Hidden Planet. Rising Water is a very close guess, again, because of the color scheme, but well played. Thanks so much. Wish you all the very best in your next round. Since we do have a lot of people with their videos on, may we request that everybody has their videos on so that everybody in our audience, since by popular choice, everybody has asked that they'd like to see you all together. So if you have any trouble with turning on your video, please do leave a message on the chat.
Excuse me, Akka.
Yes, Asma.
Your voice is low.
Yeah, your voice has decreased.
Thank you. I was trying to eliminate the background noise from my end. But I was just saying, can you all turn on your videos? Because it'll be really nice to see all of you. I see Abhinav has not turned on his video. There, I see Abhinav now. Great. I think we have everyone. But just need you have a question?
Yeah, ma'am, you didn't do GDGWS Team 2. You
Okay.
skipped.
All right. Okay. Do we have another question for GD Goenka School?
Yes, we do.
Okay. All right. Great, Vachasvi. Thank you for raising it. Can we go with GD Goenka World School Team 2 now?
And I got my second partner, Kunal. He's here.
Okay, great. Hi, Kunal. Good to have you with us. Ms. Janvi, would you be able to give them a question?
Just give me 2 seconds.
Okay.
So sorry about that.
No worries. There you go. Team 2 from GD Goenka World School.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Yeah, I can verify.
Was there an answer coming, GD Goenka? Sorry, I couldn't make out if you were actually answering.
And unfair.
Unfair, I heard unfair. What was your first part of your response? I heard unfair. Did you have something else? Lark. All right. Lark and unfair, that's what's coming out from GD Goenka World School, Gurgaon. Can we take a look at what the correct response is? Excellent. Well played, GD Goenka World School. Congratulations on that. That brings us to the end of round 2. Now that we've finished the round, can we have the scores? Ms. Vivida, would you be able to tell us where the teams stand?
Sure. So Oasis Dehradun at 0. GD Goenka team 1, Anusha's team at 5 points. GD Goenka second team, Varchasvi's team at 5 points. Silver Oaks Bangalore 5 points. Parikrama Nandini Layout 5 points. Parikrama Sahkar Nagar 5 points. Parikrama Jaya Nagar 7 points. Neve team 1, Arushi's team 10 points. Neve team 2, Dhruv's team 7 points. And Sapphira at 5 points.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Ms. Vivida, for giving us that update. We finished 2 rounds. I'm so excited. All of you are doing so well. Now we're moving on to the 3rd round. So we finished 2 rounds. One was of scrambled book titles. Second was of scrambled book covers. In our 3rd round, we're going to look at something else, which is called scrambled sounds. We're going to look at snippets from interactions that have taken place as a part of the NLF Reading Challenge 2021. Dhruv, if you have a question, would you want to type it out? Thank you. All right. All clear? We follow the same rules. We follow the same order as we did last time. Each team has to guess the name of the author who is speaking in the clip, as well as the name of the book, the full title of the book that was a part of the NLF Reading Challenge. Each team will have 1 minute to respond and come up with the correct answer. All right. Let's go with Team Oasis Doon. Are you ready, Team Oasis Doon? Okay, I think Team Oasis Doon is ready. I see looks of stern determination coming in. Can we have the first question up for Team Oasis Doon?
We're the true sons of the soil, we're the purest of the pure. And if anyone disagrees, then we will trash them, that's for sure. We're the true sons of the soil and this land so much we love. So outsiders, keep your heads bowed or we'll thwack you from above. Our land is rich with many creatures, best of them all is the goat. Purer to us and more precious is she if white is her coat.
Thank you. Time starts now. 1 minute to respond. You have to give us the name of the author who said this and the name of the book that this author wrote. Okay, that's 30 seconds up. We have 30 seconds left. Team Oasis. The author, the title. It's a good time to make guesses.
It's Lark by Anthony McGovern.
All right, okay. Lark by Anthony McGovern, says Team Oasis Doon. Can we take a look at what the correct answer is? Team Oasis doing? That was Cordis Paldano reading out from his book, The Dwarf, the Girl, and the Holy Code. It was an author interaction that we had scheduled. Thank you for taking the time out on that. Now we have Team 1 from GD Goenka World School. Are you ready, Team 1 from GD Goenka? All right. Can we have the next question up for the team, please?
Ma's struggling, she gasps like she can't breathe. She falls to her knees and screams, I can't bear the sound. Sirens wail. Other cops are coming. Did someone call an ambulance? I'm still dead, alone on the field. The policeman closest to me is rubbing his head. In his hand, his gun dangles. The other policeman is watching Ma like she's gonna hurt someone. Then he shouts, stay back. People are edging closer, snapping pictures, taking video with their phones.
All right, 1 minute. Who is the author? What is the book? This was an author who we had a session with as a part of the NLF Reading Challenge 2021. "20 seconds up."
Ghost Boys by Joel Parker wrote.
Okay, Anusha, are you sure about that?
Yes, ma'am.
You have nearly a whole half minute to change your answer in case you want to.
I'm sure.
Okay, Abhinav? Is that the answer that you're going with? All right. Okay, Team GD Goenka seems very sure of their answer. They're going with Ghost Boys and that the author is Joel Parker Rhodes. Can we take a look at what the correct answer is, please? Excellent work. Well done, Team GD Goenka. Very well played. Sharp and very sharply caught as well. Okay, great. Team 2 from GD Goenka World School. Vachasvi and Kunal. Are you ready? Okay, excellent. Can we have the next question up for Team 2 from GD Goenka World School?
Straining under the light from my laptop, I scribble down the recipe from the first video, which looks like it will be an easy one to try and harmless. Mom loves to bake, so we definitely have baking soda. I chew on the pencil tip, wondering whether I should wait until morning or risk being caught sneaking around tonight. Carpe diem, there's no time to waste. The kitchen door is ajar, and I squeeze through. The place seems so spooky in the dark. I use the mobile phone's torchlight and gingerly open the baking drawer, praying that it doesn't creak.
All right, time starts now. Who is the author? What is the book that the author is reading from?
It's Unfair by Russell Ahoja.
That was very quick. That was within 10 seconds of the timer having started. Are you sure, Vachasvi?
Yeah, I just discussed with my partner.
Okay, all right. Vachasvi is very sure. She says that it's Unfair by Russell Ahoja. Can we take a look at what the correct answer is, please? Well done, Vachasvi. Nicely played. Good to see that you've got the right answer. Congratulations. Congratulations. All right. So now we move to Team Silver Oaks Bangalore. We have Noritra and Sia. Are both of you ready?
Yeah.
All right. Okay. Let's have the next question up for Silver Oaks Bangalore.
But then when it comes to doing the actual sort of piece, like it could take me 100 hours or more to do that illustration. So I tend to look at what I describe as like composite images. So I'll get lots of images of the same animal in different poses and draw from all of them. So it's not a copy of one image. It's a pose that I've chosen, but then I'm using information from all of the different ones to get a sense of, you know, kind of how it articulates, or, you know, with the guinea fowl, that sort of bobbing little head as it moves around.
Okay, Sia, and Noritra. You've listened to the audio clip. It's an author.
Ben Rothery. Yes, Ben Rothery, that's the author.
And are you sure about that?
Yeah, the illustrator Ben Rothery.
And we would also need the name of the book that's on the reading list for the NLF Reading Challenge 2021.
Can I think about that?
I didn't quite catch that, Naritra. Could you say that again?
Can I think about it for a minute?
Sure. Sure, yeah, you have half a minute left. Naritra told us that she thinks the person who was speaking in the audio clip was Ben Rothery. We are asking about which book of his was on the NLF Reading Challenge 2021.
Yeah, I think the book is a spread. Okay.
Sorry.
I'm not sure about the book. Yeah.
You're not sure about the book. All right. So we have Silver Oaks, Bangalore, who says that.
Ma'am?
Yes, yeah.
I said Hidden Planet before the time got over.
Okay. All right.
Yeah. Sia did say it before the timer in a brief moment.
All right. So Sia, right in the nick of time, says it's Hidden Planet, and Noritra says the illustrator is Ben Rothery. Can we take a look at what the correct answer is? Well done, Team Silver Oaks Bangalore. Very well done. Nicely managed. Okay, and nicely answered. We are at 1748. We are moving on to the next set of questions, the next set of teams. We have Parikrama Foundation from Nandini Layout. Are you ready, Team Parikrama? Okay, can we have the next question up for them?
She is nice and everything, but you've got to admit she's one of the most boring teachers on earth. I mean, like, the planet would be so much better if there were not so many Preeti ma'ams in children's lives. It's like a necessary qualification. In an interview, a potential teacher gets asked, "Are you boring?" No, I'm a very interesting person. In fact, I have a wonderful sense of humor, I've been told. Wrong answer, out, next.
Who is the speaker? What is the book? I saw lots of heads nodding.
The story name is Being Gandhi and the author is Paro Anand.
Okay, you seem really sure, Team Parikrama. You're not going to back off on that? That's the answer you want to go with? I see. Okay, I see vigorous head shakes and head nods. Okay, all right. Can we look at what the correct answer is for Team Parikrama? Great, nicely done, Team Parikrama. Thank you for that. Our next team is Parikrama Foundation from Sehkar Nagar. Can we have the next question up for Team Parikrama from Sehkar Nagar?
What does this story have to say to us? To the Danish diver Ivan Karadik, the impossible rescue was like a message, as if a force was trying to show us, to tell us something about ourselves. It was, he said, a mirror. Around the world, even as the rescue was taking place, the issues around nationality, citizenship, and immigration had created deep divisions. The United States government was separating undocumented immigrant parents.
Okay, Team Parikrama.
It's Rising Water by Mark Aronson.
Rising Water by Mark Aronson. You answered even before the timer was on. Are you sure?
Yes.
All right, Team Parikrama is confident that it's Rising Water by Mark Aronson. And you don't want to back off on that because you have a whole 45 seconds left. Okay, all right. Can we see what the correct answer is then? Well answered, Team Parikrama, good job. Next, we have Parikrama Foundation, Jayanagar. Can we have the question up for them?
But if you know how to read, a few seconds later, you can be like, that's funny. Or you can be, oh, what's going to happen next? It can be really tense. You can even be sad. Oh, this is really terrible. What happened to Marielle is really terrible. You can be feeling it in your heart. Okay? All by looking at black squiggles. Okay, that's like magic.
Who is the author? The author actually dropped a clue to one of the characters in the books that the author has written. Who is the author? What is the book? We have to admit this is not one of the easier questions, but it is an author who did a session with us during the NLF Reading Challenge 2021.
Miss, sorry, I just got disconnected. Is it Neve Team 1's turn?
No, this is Parikrama Foundation General.
Okay. Sorry.
No worries. Half a minute left, Team Parikrama.
Holes by Louis.
Holes by Louis. Okay, all right. Can we take a look at what the correct answer is, please? She mentioned one of the characters from A Long Walk to Water in her response. It was tough, but it was good of you to try and guess it. So good job, Team Parikrama. All right, Team 1 from Neve Academy. Can we have the next question up for them?
They say that the islanders are like the red crabs that race along the shores, hardy, unpredictable, and as happy in the water as out of it. They say that the ocean around the Myriad has its own madness.
Okay, thoughts on who that writer is? What is the book that this writer has written?
Replied by Frances Hardinge.
Okay, are you sure, Team Neve? Again, that was a very quick response.
Yes, I'm very sure.
Okay, all right. I see the same tone of confidence coming in with the answer from Miss Anaya saying, yes, I'm very sure. All right, let's take a look at what the correct answer is. Congratulations, Team Neve. Well done. Now it's the turn of Team 2 from Neve Academy. Could we have their question up for them, please?
He had in truth been losing her for a very long time. The disease that was killing her was a creeping, cowardly thing, a sickness eating away at her from the inside, slowly consuming the light within so that her eyes grew a little less bright with each passing day and her skin a little more pale. And as she was stolen away from him, piece by piece, the boy became more and more afraid of finally losing her entirely.
Who is the author? What is the book? Team 2 from Neve. This is an author who we've had an interaction with at the NLF Reading Challenge 2021. Nine seconds left, Team Neve. Would you like to hazard a guess as to who that could be? Okay, all right. I'm not sure what happened, but right. Can we have the correct answer, please? That was John Connolly from the Book of Lost Things. That was again a hard question, but well played, Team Neve, so far. All right. And now we have last question for Sapphira. We have the question up for her.
What have I read that was set in London at the time of Jack the Ripper? What classic? I wrote about King Arthur. When I was a kid, I read about King Arthur. I wrote about Robin Hood. When I was a kid, I read about Robin Hood. What else did I read every single Sherlock Holmes story over and over and over again when I was a child until I had memorized them and they were part of me.
Okay, 1 minute to respond. Who is the author? What is the book that the author is speaking about? This is an author we've had an interaction with for the NLF Reading Challenge 2021.
The author is Kate DiCamillo.
Okay.
And the
Kate DiCamillo, all right. 10 seconds left. Sapphira, is that the answer you want to go with? Are you sure?
yes.
Okay, all right. Sapphira is backing her answer. Says it's Kate DiCamillo. Can we take a look at what the correct answer is, please? That was Nancy Stringer talking about the period that she wrote the book in and how she came to write Enola Holmes. Thanks so much, Sapphira. We are at the end of 3 of our rounds, and we are close to 6 o'clock. So at this point, we will let you know how we're doing in terms of the scores. All right. So Team Oasis has not been able to score, but Team Oasis has been a very active participant and has been a part of the reading challenge. So thank you so much for being here. We really appreciate it. We have Parikrama Foundation Janagar at 7 points in all at the end of these 3 rounds. Congratulations, Parikrama. Then we have Team 2 from Neve at 7 points. We have Parikrama Foundation from Nandini Layout and Sahakar Nagar at 10 points. We have Silver Oaks, Bangalore at 10 points. We have GD Goenka World School, both teams at 10 points. And we have the team from Neve, team 1 from Neve at 15 points. All right. Congratulations to all of you. Since we have a bunch of you who are at the same score, we will do another round of questions with the 2 teams from GD Goenka, with Silver Oaks, with Parikrama, Nandini Layout, and Sahakar Nagar. Yeah, are you ready? Does that work for everyone? It will mean that we will overrun, we will overshoot our time of 6 p.m. But here is where we find ourselves, and this is where we're headed. Okay, Ms. Janvi, we're going to go into the next round. I'm going to tell you a little bit about the next round before we get into it. This is a round called Scrambled Questions, where the questions have to do with either the visual of a book or the content of a book. All right, so let's get started. Each team will have 1 minute to answer. The first question goes to GD Goenka World School, team 1 from GD Goenka World School. Can we have the question up for them, please? You have 1 minute, team GD Goenka. Which book from the reading list of the 2021 NLF Reading Challenge is linked to these titles?
Hidden Planet.
Hidden Planet, okay. Are you sure? Okay. GD Goenka, team 1 from GD Goenka says Hidden Planet. All right. Can we have a look at what the correct answer is, please? All right, good job. Ms. Suvida, I hope you're keeping score. That's team 1 from GD Goenka. Very well done. Okay. Our next question is for team 2 from GD Goenka, who was also at 10 points. Can we have the next question up for them? 1 minute to answer this question, which is based on the book Lark, on the reading of the book Lark. Any seconds up? Any thoughts?
No idea.
Okay, all right. Team GD Goenka, the second team from GD Goenka is not sure what the answer is. So can we have the correct answer up on screen, please? This was his Leeds United bobble hat that was lost, that he found on the water, that Nikki found on the water. Thank you. Well played, GD Goenka. Next, we have Silver Oaks, Team Silver Oaks. Are you ready with your question? Okay. All right. Can we have the question show up on screen, please? What is the name of the politician in the book, The Dwarf, the Girl, and the Holy Goat? 30 seconds. 1 minute. Thirty seconds left. Less than 30 seconds. What is the name of the politician in the book, The Dwarf, the Girl, and the Holy Goat by Cordis Paldano? He spoke about this during his session at the NLF Reading Challenge as well. Okay. Sia Agarwal from Silver Oaks, Bangalore says pencil. Can we take a look at what the correct answer is, please? Excellent. Good job, Silver Oaks. All right. We have Parikrama from Nandini Layout next. Can we have the question up for them? A question from the book, The War That Saved My Life by Kimberly Brubaker Bradley. Also an author who did a session with us during the reading challenge.
Air, I think. Hail.
Hail.
Hair.
Okay, all right. HAIR. Okay. Are you sure? Is that the response you want to go with? Which document do Ada and Jamie take just before they leave their mother's flat during the air raid in the War That Saved My Life? Can we take a look at what the correct response is?
Yeah.
Just didn't have access to it earlier, but well played, Team Parikrama. Thank you. Next, we have Parikrama from Sahakar Nagar. Can we have the next question up for them? A question from the book Beverly Right Here by Kate DiCamillo. What is the full name of the person who gives Beverly a place to live in the book Beverly Right Here? A little over 30 seconds left. Team Parikrama. Any guesses? Okay, I'm guessing Team Parikrama has not had a response. Can we take a look at what the correct answer is? Again, not easy, but thank you for playing and thank you for being here. All right, now we do Neve Team 1. Can we have the question for Neve Team 1, please?
Ametil.
Arushi, are you sure?
Yes.
Okay, the answer from Neve Team 1 that came in even before the timer started. Arushi says, what is the name of the other ghost boy Jerome meets in Ghost Boys? Emmett Till. Can we take a look at what the correct answer is? Good job, Neve Team 1. Emmett Till, also linked to events in real life. That comes together in Jewel Parker Rhodes' book, Ghost Boys. She speaks about it, spoken about it during her interaction with us. Now, for the scores at the end of this very exciting 3.5 rounds. We have the Team 2 from GD Goenka at 10 points. We have Parikrama, Nandini Layout, Parikrama Sahikar Nagar at 10 points. We have GD Goenka Team 1 at 15 points. We have Silver Oaks, Bangalore at 15 points. And we have Team 1 from Neve at 20 points. Congratulations to all of you. It does look like we have a tie for silver and we have a tie for bronze, which means that we'll need 2 more questions to be able to resolve that, right? Ms. Janvi, would we be able to give them 2 more questions?
Yes.
Okay, great. So Team 2 from GD Goenka, you're on first. Can we have a question up for them?
Yes.
We need 4 more questions. Go ahead. Team 2 from GD Goenka, your question is coming right up. This is a question from the book Deep Light by Frances Harding. How can Gelt find something that belonged to a god in the book Deep Light? What is the name of this god? Frances Harding spoke about this during her interaction.
The hidden lady.
Are you sure? Is that what you want to go with?
Yeah, we discussed.
Okay, all right. Team 2 from GD Goenka says their answer is the hidden lady. Can we take a look at what the correct response is?
Yeah. You only
All right.
I didn't even read this book.
Sorry, what was that, Vachasi?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Well played. Nicely done. That was GD Goenka, Team 2. Our next question is for Ms. Vivida. Would you be able to tell me if the next question is for Silver Oaks?
Sia, yes. Sia and Noritra.
Yes. Okay. Can we have a question up for them now? Silver Oaks, Bangalore.
Tham Luang Cave.
Are you sure about that, Sia?
Yes.
Okay. All right. Sia says that the cave system that the team was trapped in was the Tham Luang cave system. Can we take a look at what the correct answer is? Okay, Team Silver Oaks really upping the ante here on how well they can answer questions. So good job, both of you. We do have a set of questions for For Parikrama, should we do a set of questions for Parikrama Nandini Layout and Parikrama Sahikar Nagar? Ms. Vivida, since you're our scorer. Or shall we move on to doing 2 new questions?
No, yeah, we have to do now. Like there's a second tie between GD Goenka Team 2 and Silver Oaks.
Okay. All right. I hope all of you heard that. That means that we have 2 more questions that we need to ask you. Ms. Janvi, are we ready with those?
Yeah.
Do we have 2 more questions that we can ask them? Okay. All right. There you go. Team GD Goenka, Team 2. This is your question. What is David's stepmother's name in the Book of Lost Things?
Ma'am, Rose?
Okay, are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay, all right. Vachasi says Rose. Can we take a look at the correct answer, please? Good job. Good job, Team GD Goenka. Silver Oaks, are you ready? We have a next question for you.
Yeah.
All right. Can we have the next question up for Team Silver Oaks? From the book, Flyway Boy.
Kalpani. It's Kalpani.
Sorry, can you say that again, Noritra?
The name is called Kalpani. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, but it's called Kalpani.
All right. Noritra says that the character's name is Kavni. Can we take a look at what the correct answer is? It's rare that in the history of quizzes there are 2 tiebreakers, and both teams have scored the same amount even after the 2 final rounds of the quiz. So I am going to now open it up to the 2 teams to tie for silver to decide on who wins. This is for Team Silver Oaks and Team GD Goenka. All right. Let's see if you get the answer for this, and we'll take it from there. The first person who gets the answer will get points. What is the name, or what is the character, what is the species that is present on the back cover of the book Hidden Planet? We're going to set a timer.
I'm taking a guess here. Is it an octopus?
Noritra says it's an octopus.
Wait. Can I discuss it with my friend? Sia, do you agree?
Sia, do you agree? Is what Noritra is asking.
Ma'am, I don't know if it's a hawk or a vulture. I mean, it's a bird. That's what I remember.
Okay, all right. It's a bird. That's what Sia remembers. There's 30 seconds left on my timer.
Ma'am, it looks like a vulture.
It looks like a vulture. Okay, that's close. Team GD Goenka?
Eagle.
You'll have to give me the exact. So one I've got, it looks like a vulture. I've got eagle. What is it? Okay, I see Team Neve also raising hands.
It's a harpy eagle.
All right, so Team Neve gets the question and breaks this whole juxtaposition that all the teams find themselves in. It's a harpy eagle, which is on the back cover of the book Hidden Planet by Ben Rothery. Team Neve gets points for that. 1 point each, I suppose, to teams Silver Oaks and teams GD Goenka. Miss Janvi has a tiebreaker up. So we know that this is again for this is for team Silveroaks and team GD Goenka. Just to make it clear. Okay, go for it. Ms. Janvi, would you like to share your screen?
Yeah, sorry, just 1 second. There's a problem in the presentation. This is an audio clue.
All right.
Joe Trappist was 19 years old. He had red hair and a tiny little red beard and a red Camaro and a job at roofing houses in Tamaray Beach. Beverly didn't like him all that much.
Can I answer?
Emilio Beverly right here.
Yeah, Beverly right here.
Beverly right here. And who's the author?
Kate DiCamillo.
Kate DiCamillo. All right. Can we have the correct answer, please? This has been the most closely contested quiz of books that we have seen in recent times. Congratulations. I think we finally have a decision on who are the winners of this quiz. But all of you are winners for being part and being so supportive and being here with us today and sticking with us through all these 6 months of the reading challenge. We have team GD Goenka, team 2 from GD Goenka that wins bronze. We have team Silveroaks, which wins silver. And we have team 1 from Neve Academy, which wins gold. Congratulations to all of you for all the splendid work that you did and for really battling it out in this battle of books. Congratulations to all of you. We will be sending you your trophy as discussed. That's what your trophy looks like. It represents the height of reading. It's called the Tower of Book. We will be sending this to you. We will get in touch with you offline to find out your addresses and see how best to post it to you. You will receive your certificates of excellence. Everybody who is here also receives certificates of participation. And we will also have a great set of books that we'll send over to you. Thank you so much, everyone, for being a part of this event. We've had a lot of fun. We hope you have too. Please do join us by following us on our social media handles for any further updates. As always, stay safe, take care, happy reading. Thank you so much, everyone, for being here. See you at the next NLF event. Thank you, children.